I'm Phoebe from Rugs.ie, and today I'm going to talk to you about our anti-slip underlay, when you need to use it, as well as how to put it in place. So first of all, if you buy a runner, they tend to be a little bit lighter as they're a long thin strip. We also tend to put them in corridors or places with high traffic areas, so we'd recommend you get underlay at the time of purchase there. Also, if you're buying a flat leaf rug, say something that's underneath your dining table or anything just with a lower pile, they tend to be lighter and again move a little bit. So we'd recommend it here both for cushioning but also to grip it in place. And then finally, any high traffic area or rug that you think is going to skate, we tell you to put underlay underneath it. We are happy to advise if you're not sure at the time that you're buying your rug whether or not you would need it. And with our own underlay here, we use this foam which has an anti-slip coating. It's suitable for underfloor heating. It leaves no residue on your floor and it won't damage any floor. As well as this, you can cut it at home. So we recommend you go a little bit larger if you're in between sizes, and then just simply cut it at home with the kitchen scissors. Now I'm going to show you how to put it in place. Once you have placed your underlay in the position that you want your rug, you just roll your rug out on top of the underlay as you saw, and then you can flatten it out with your hand if you need to, particularly if it's a flat weave. And then as you'll see here, the rug is completely gripped to the floor and it won't move.